Hi, welcome guys to today's trading recap. So, this is the trade I took on the 31st of July. So, let's go over what happened in the markets. So, prior to this day, no, actually, right on this day, this is new, okay, both of it, prior and on the day open. Firstly, we came down, swept all of those lows, low resistance liquidity, everything, which gave us a bunch of bullish pressure. We created new all-time highs and with a pretty big push up. So we disrespected this SMT right here. ES and NASDAQ are on new all-time highs. And yeah, so let's go over first. Let's go quick over the London session. This is London session open. Firstly, we moved up on London session. Where is it? 9. Yeah, this is the London session fake out. We move up, inverse this gap, tap into this one, and we could have shorted to I don't know where, but yeah. Basically, London session just manipulated a bit. So because obviously because we swept all of the all-time highs and we created new all-time highs during London session. So I came on the charts, I looked at this and I was like, bro, what the fuck? I don't think I'm gonna trade today. And actually, I did not want to take a trade today. So first, let's go over my drawings and my thought process. So yeah, obviously we had this big move up. I marked out the 4-hour equilibrium. Okay, wait, let's start. Let's start on the 4-hour. I marked out the 4-hour equilibrium. I marked out this fair value gap, which got inversed eventually at 4, which is 10 p.m. New York time. No, sorry, 10 a.m. Okay, so 4-hour. We had this gap right here and this gap right here on the 1-hour. We had this low, we had London lows, Asia lows, and we also had this big ass 1-hour gap, which I didn't mark up because it would have cluttered up my whole screen. So yeah. Now in the 5 minutes, what happened? What was my thought process? So market opens. I was on the charts about at this point. So market opens. We move down as I have expected because we are at all-time highs. We have a bunch of draws down here. Um, yeah. So my bias was okay. Maybe sweep of the highs and then continue down, or if this didn't happen, I would have been okay with just taking the trade without the sweep down to equilibrium. So what happens? Market opens, we rip the fuck down through my London lows, through the 1-hour liquidity, through Asia lows, all the way down to the 4-hour equilibrium. And I was thinking like, okay, bro, fuck this. In the first place, I didn't even want to take a trade, and now we swept all of my draws on liquidity. So yeah, I got off the charts, and a bit later I came back on the charts about I think like here around this time. And yeah, I went to the charts and I was like, okay, we are moving down. Where are we moving to? Because we did not have a bunch of draws on liquidity. Keep in mind this was not there. So yeah, this was the only draw on liquidity. These are New York lows, if I'm not wrong. So let's mark those. Yeah, we had New York lows down here. And coming into session, I did not think we would go down and sweep New York low. So after we swept all of this shit, I was like, okay, I'm off for the day. But no, we move down. We create this 5-minute fair value gap. We tap into it. Then I switch to the 1 minute. Damn, bro, fuck. After tapping into the gap, um, right here, yeah, we broke structure, and I entered. Fuck, where's my entry? Ah, no, 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 no. I did not enter off 1 minute because when I came back to the charts, I looked at the 4 hour and there we had the big inverse. So I was okay with entering without 1 minute confirmation. So I entered right when market tapped the gap. Bro, fuck this shit, man. Okay, so I entered right here. We get a nice push down and I take profit one right on the lows. Perfect take profit one. And then I decide, okay, a new 5 minute fair value gap. We tap right into it. We get nice this 5 minute fair value gap. I'm in my head. I'm thinking, okay, we're going down all the way to New York lows right now. So I mark it out. Wait for it to be tapped. We go on the 1 minute. What happens on the 1 minute? We go into it and we rip down. So new entry right here. And you can see we go up and stop me out. If I, as soon as I took take profit one, I also moved my stop loss down to about something like this, because originally I was risking. Oh fuck! On this trade, damn bro, give me my bro. On this trade, I was risking 5 units. Yeah, I risked 5 units, so you can see right here, 2,227, bro, and I only made 300. I missed out on a bunch of money. But to be yeah, actually my dick hurts. So there are other trading days which you can make a lot of money in. Was just kind of dumb of me to exit this trade after this first 5 minute inverse. I mean, high time frame holds higher power, and I exit this trade because we inversed this 5 minute fair value gap, which now in hindsight is pretty dumb because we are super bearish on every time frame. So closing the trade of this is kind of dumb. And if we wait, oh, nah, trading view is chopped, bro. Bro, where is my trade, man? Fucking shit, bro. Okay, so yeah, if I obviously I moved my stop down to here, something like this, so I would have gotten stopped out if I would have stayed in the trade. Um, I don't know exactly why I should not have moved stop, because I took take profit one. Maybe because I had stop, I had it like up here or something. My trade was kind of chopped, but then I moved it down because I didn't want to lose a bunch of money if we came back up. Um, so yeah, I missed out on a bunch of money, but as I've just said, my dick hurts. So there are the trading days. And oh, let's go over this trade quickly. On this trade, yeah, I was in with 5 contracts right here, took one out and entered this one with one contract. Would have been an additional $300. So in total, I think in total we would have made, sorry, I would have made, you guys don't do shit. I would have made, yeah, around 200 2200. Just because I took partials right here, this would have, I think, taken around, I took partials for $150 here, I think. So now actually we would have made way less than 2000, I think about 100, 1700, something like this. Damn, I'm recording 10 minutes long. Okay, fuck. So yeah, this is the trade I took. Exited right here on the inverse. Made a nice. Kid's gone. But I made 327. We are now up on the week, up on the account, and from here on out, I'm going to be risking way more money because I want to fucking pass this shit now. It's kind of crazy how long I have this funded account, and after talking to my friend, I gotta risk more. So yeah, really nice trade. Yeah, my dick hurts. Have a nice day. Bye bye.